Hack your brain, the one tiny domino that topples giant goals. Do you have a dream? A huge, epic, world-changing goal? Of course you do. You want to write a novel, run a marathon, start a business, learn to code, become fluent in Japanese. But then, Monday happens. You're tired. That giant goal looks less like a mountain to conquer and more like a monster that's about to eat you for breakfast. The motivation you had on Sunday night has vanished. You feel stuck. What if I told you that you've been looking at it all wrong? That the secret to achieving your biggest goals isn't about massive, heroic effort? What if the secret is a single, tiny domino? Let's get educational for a second, but I promise this is fun. In 1983, a physicist named Lorne Whitehead discovered something amazing. He found that a single domino can knock over another domino that is about 1.5 times larger. Did you see that? A chain reaction of just 29 dominoes, starting with one that's barely 2 inches tall, could knock over a domino as tall as the Empire State Building. This isn't just physics. This is the blueprint for hacking your own brain and achieving anything you want. I call it the Keystone Domino Principle. Your brain is wired to do two things: conserve energy and seek rewards. Big, scary goals feel like they require a ton of energy with no immediate reward. So what does your brain do? Procrastinate. It goes looking for a quick, easy reward instead, like scrolling through cat videos for an hour. But when you focus on one ridiculously small keystone domino, you trick your brain. This domino is an action so small, so easy, that it's almost impossible not to do it. It requires virtually no energy. And here's the magic part. Once you do it, your brain releases a tiny bit of dopamine. That's the feel-good chemical. It's a small win. And that small win gives you the momentum and the chemical motivation to knock over the next slightly bigger domino. So how do you find your keystone domino? It's simple. Take your giant goal and shrink it down to a 2-minute action. Let's try it. Giant goal number 1. I want to get fit and run a marathon. Whoa, that's huge. It's intimidating. Your keystone domino. Put on your running shoes and walk out your front door. That's it. You don't have to run. Just put the shoes on and step outside. But what usually happens? Once your shoes are on and you're outside, you think, well, I might as well walk for 5 minutes. And then 5 minutes becomes 10. You started the chain reaction. Giant goal number 2. I want to write a novel. The blank page is terrifying, right? Your keystone domino? Open your laptop and write one sentence. Just one. It was a dark and stormy night. The spaceship hummed. Kevin hated Mondays. That's it. You have officially become a writer for the day. That one sentence makes the next one so much easier to write. Giant goal number 3. I want to learn a new language. Thinking about grammar, vocabulary, and conjugation tables is exhausting. Your keystone domino? Open your language app and do one lesson. Just one. It takes 3 minutes. But that one lesson reminds you how fun it is. It builds your streak. It creates momentum. The next day, doing another lesson is even easier. Do you see the pattern? The goal is not the marathon, the novel, or fluency. The goal is to start. The goal is to push over that first tiny keystone domino. This isn't just about getting things done. This is about changing your identity. When you consistently put on your running shoes, you stop being someone who wants to be a runner. You are a runner. When you write one sentence every day, you are a writer. When you do one lesson, you are a language learner. You build confidence not by staring at the mountain, but by taking a single tiny step, and then another, and another. Soon you'll look back and be amazed at the avalanche of achievement you started with just one simple push. So I have a challenge for you right now. Not tomorrow, not next week, right now. What is your big, scary, beautiful goal? And what is your ridiculously small Keystone Domino, the 2-minute action you can take today to start the chain reaction? Don't just think about it, decide, and then go do it. But first, drop it in the comments below. Declare it. What is the first domino you're going to topple today? Let's inspire each other. The power to change your life is already inside you. You just have to find the smallest possible way to let it out. Find your domino, give it a gentle push, and then watch your world begin to change. Thanks for watching. If this helped, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Now go knock over that domino. You've got this.